Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys the updated house tour. Some of you guys have been crazy in my comment section asking for an updated house tour for a few months now. I am so sorry to keep you guys waiting. I just had some things that I really wanted to get done before I showed you guys the updated house tour, and now they are finally done. So let's go. This is the outside of our house. We recently got a new door and I am so obsessed. And we added lights as well, and I just love how cozy and warm it looks, especially at night. Hello babies! This is what you see when you first walk into our house. One of the reasons why I wanted to buy this house was all of the windows. I am absolutely obsessed with all of these windows. It just brings in so much natural light. We have a shoe closet to the right. Here is our entry table. I got the entry table from Target. The mirrors are from Amazon, same with the lights. And the vase is from CB2. All of the decor is from CB2 except for the books and the bowl. Those are from Amazon. Don't mind the balloon backdrop. Our engagement party is tomorrow, so we're just setting everything up the day before so there's no hassle or stress. So ignore that. That is not always there. Here is our living room and our kitchen. We recently added these floating shelves and I just love them. I just feel like it added such a good touch to our kitchen. More close-ups of our kitchen. We got our dining table chairs from Target. Walking over this way, here is our first bathroom. I love the idea of having separate towels for all of my guests so they're not just using the same one, and then when they're done they just throw it in this basket. These picture frames are from Amazon. Here is the shower. I'm obsessed. I just love everything about this shower. It kind of looks like a shower in Arizona, so it's like we're bringing a little piece of Arizona back home with us. Some more art. And then to the right of our bathroom is our pantry. This is a mess right now. I have to organize this and clean it up. It usually looks way cleaner than this, but I've just been very, very busy with other things recently, so this is definitely on my to-do list. To the right of our pantry is our laundry room. I didn't like this wall when we first moved into our house, but it's definitely grown on me. I feel like it's just so unique and so different. Our sink and our washer and dryer and just some more storage. We have just a storage closet right here. And this is all of our laundry detergent and our softeners and some more on the other side as well. And then this is our garage. We're going on a dump run today, so that is all cardboard. I just get so many packages a day. We have to go on dump runs at least once a week. Now I am going to show you guys our backyard. Here is our dining table chairs. We have them outside, so for the party everyone can sit. And I also just ordered these egg chairs off of Amazon, and I'm so obsessed with them. They are just so fun. Here is our dining table. I love it. It's like real wood. It's so beautiful. And then here's some more tables for like snacks and food. And this is our drink table for tomorrow. Here is our house from the back and our backyard and our deck. We just got this deck built last week. It only took my dad 2 days to build this deck. Actually insane. He's so fast. But I love it so much, and I just love the color of the wood. We are not done. There's gonna be something else that we're doing, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys, but for right now, here it is. Now we are going upstairs. This is my closet, but it is a mess. I will show you guys, but I promise it's only this messy right now because it has all of our engagement party decor in it. So this is what my office looks like right now. It's so messy, but all of this will be gone tomorrow. Yeah. It's a mess in here. So we just keep that shut. Now going upstairs, I also love all of the windows during sunset because the sun sets right here. Sun is just shining in and it's stunning. He follows me everywhere. This is just something cute. This is our guest bedroom and Daniel's gaming spot. We are hanging this TV up today and it's going right here. Hilo! Hilo! Stop! Down the hall, Here is our engagement photos. I am so obsessed with these and I love how they turned out. They came out way bigger than I thought, but they are perfect for this hallway. This is our second bathroom. I got this painting from Target. So cute. And walking in here is my closet slash makeup room. We got the closet organizers from IKEA and I custom made them. I got the desk from IKEA and the chair from Amazon. My shoe organizer from Amazon as well. This is probably my favorite space. I am always in here. Walking down this way is Daniel's closet. All of his clothes, his shoe boxes, more clothes and his shoes. Our bathroom. This is kind of what sold me on the house. I am obsessed with the marble and the huge mirror and the bathtub, of course. I will never own a house that doesn't have a bathtub. I am in this thing all the time. This is part of my self-care. And the shower, I am in love. There's 6 body jets, this shower head thing, and this shower head. And another closet just full of my skincare. The floors also heat up, so it's perfect for wintertime because the floors get really cold. I can heat the floors all the way up to 90 degrees if I wanted to. So that is very hot. It's perfect for wintertime. Here is another photo from our engagement, and here is our bedroom. We got new art above our bed and new sheets, and it's just giving beachy vibes, and I love it so much. Here's a close-up of our new sheets. They're so soft. It feels like I'm laying in a hotel bed. I'm not even lying. Here's our mirror. Also changing something in our bedroom soon, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Here's the view looking down from the hallway and looking down the stairs. Kona girls. Just the cutest girl ever. That is my house tour. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm so excited to share with you guys the other fun little things that we are doing to our house because there is a bunch more and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So stay tuned for that, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. I love you guys so much. I hope you have the best day or night wherever you're at. Bye!